Alright, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back, MTG here with another episode. So, now that I got the OnePlus 7 Pro in hands, I'm going to put up a lot, and I'm serious, like a lot of videos, everything about this phone, its goods and its bads, everything about it. And today I'm here to show you guys a video on how fast its fingerprint, its in-display fingerprint sensor is, as well as its face unlock. Now, two things I want to note before I get started. Fingerprint sensor, it's optical, which means when you're placing your finger, it's going to shine a bright light under the screen so it can read your fingerprint. Now, the in-display fingerprint sensor inside the Galaxy S10, for example, that is ultrasonic, which actually uses 3D scanning and basically unlocks that way. That one's more secure than this, but this one is much faster. Actually, it's much faster in my opinion. Second, face unlock. Now, iPhones, they do have Face ID. Those are more secure because they're actually using more sensors. But this one's just using the front-facing camera to get in the phone. It's much quicker than Face ID, but it's not as secure. So without waiting any longer, let's dive right in this video. This phone is fast with 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of onboard storage, UFS 3.0. This is a really fast phone. The Snapdragon 855. This gets the job done. That fingerprint sensor is quick. It's not the most accurate because it's optical and it shines that light to capture your fingerprint, but it's still really fast. And that face unlock is even faster. Now, you'd think a motorized camera would take much slower, but damn, that is really quick. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time and until next video, this is MTG.